Hey you guys, it's Nadi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys everything I crocheted in September. I'm gonna start with the stuff that I don't have with me right now just so that I don't forget it. You guys know that I've recently put out a crochet footy pattern. I've crocheted about 20 pairs of socks this month for my family and for orders. So man, after Christmas, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to make any more socks. I'm so tired. At the beginning of this month, I had an order for 3 pairs of baby hats and booties. I didn't really get to take any pictures before I got it sent out. I'm gonna show some pictures on screen too. This is one set, and I did 3 sets of those earlier this month. I crocheted my son an eye patch because he was pretending to be a pirate, and I also crocheted a super tiny little mini snake, which I thought was super cute. It's so cute. It's just a little micro thing. I'm gonna show you guys the stuff that I have with me now. Starting off, I made these crochet pumpkins. They're a little wonky and out of shape. They were my first pumpkins that I've made, and my children love to like play around with them, so you know, they're just a little squished out of shape and stuff, but I think they're super cute. I just leave them up in my living room, and they're super soft and squishy. To go along with the pumpkin theme, I made a pumpkin cup cozy. I think this is super cute, along with a pumpkin coaster, which I don't have with me, but I'll show a picture. I also made this little pumpkin bag charm, and you can open it and put things inside. And something else that I also don't have with me right now is the little pumpkin keychain I made. I actually have a little tutorial on that on my YouTube channel. For my kitchen, I made these dish scrubbies. They're amazing. They scrub really well without scratching my dishes. I love it so much. I made like 6 of them, and I can wash them and stuff, so I just keep them in rotation. Love them so much. I've been plant obsessed lately, so I've been making like a lot of plants and like vines and stuff. I made this right here. It's supposed to be a heart leaf philodendron, I think. You know what? I'm not actually sure what this one is supposed to be, but I think it's really cute. I usually have it hanging on my son's shadow box downstairs. It's a really cute addition to the decor. And then I made this monstera leaf before I got my monstera plant. Let me show you. But yeah, I made this right before I got her, and I got her for only $5, so I manifested it. But yeah, this is super cute. You can use it as a bookmark, but I have this hanging on my like my wedding certificate thing that I have framed downstairs. I also have these little pots. This is supposed to be a crochet string of turtles, just little circular things, and this is supposed to be a string of pearls, I believe. I followed the tutorial for this one on YouTube for the string of pearls part, and then I just found a picture on Pinterest for this one and crocheted it. And then I just made the pots by myself. And I usually just stick my crochet hooks in the top of these and have them hanging up as a display. Along with the being plant obsessed, I've made a lot of plant holder things. I've made this to hold mason jars. I just have this Starbucks cup in here, this clean cup to represent what's supposed to be in it. I have this little tiny mini one. I have a propagating stem in here right now, actually. And I just have it hanging up in the light downstairs. I have this double one that I made, so it can just hang together. I think it's so cool and cute. Oh my goodness. Scullies and like ski masks for people recently, and someone asked me for one that like basically was headless so her hair could be out, and this was the design that I came up with. I tried to watch a tutorial video, but I could not follow it. To save my life, I couldn't follow the video, so I just came up with what I could by myself. It fits pretty well. I am going to adjust it just a little bit just to make it a little bit tighter. You know, I started off with just a little too many stitches, so it's like a little bulky in the back. And I actually think that's it for this month. Again, I crocheted a lot of socks, so many pairs of socks. It's insane. Oh yeah, and I also crocheted some squares for the Granny Square project, the Granny Square blanket project. My mutual Jada on TikTok, she is collecting a bunch of Granny Squares from all of her followers and mutuals to put together some blankets for the homeless. The deadline, I believe, is the 10th of this month of October. So if you do want to enter, I'm going to leave her information down in the description and you can message her or whatever, and you know, you can also send in some squares. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I really just wanted to interact with you guys and get some stuff out there because I've been in the video funk. I'm not exactly sure to post anymore. But I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.